Everything is good, guys?
Yes, good.
Okay, so
Yes.
next what we will do it now, guys? We will call this method na. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
So that method I'm calling here. How we will call it?
File
File dot util
File
dot what is the method name, guys? What is the method? To list,
to
right?
list.
To list,
Yes,
right?
Ravi.
And this one is asking some string na. Come on, argument as a string na, guys. Come on. So
Yes,
what
Ravi.
we will give it means this one is asking the path, guys, right? This one is asking input file input stream path na. Come on.
File.
Hmm?
Yes.
Yes,
So
Ravi.
File.
now
Yeah.
what path we will give it now? We will give this path here. Now make this one as what? Forward slash. Right?
Yes, Ravi.
People are getting.
Yeah, yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Then but the but the question is what? The question is what is the return now? What it will return, guys? What it will return? List of what object it's returning now? This method is returning what? Come on. List of product na, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Come
List
on.
of product.
Top product
Product.
object.
Yes,
List of
Ravi.
product. So what we will do it now? Here we will take private list of what?
List of product.
List of product. List of product. List. List of product. List, right? Control Shift O. So here we will hold it, right? That object we will list.
Yes.
We will hold it, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, okay, Ravi.
After then what we will do it
Yes,
now?
Ravi.
We will write one scheduler method, which one will send every time this object to whom? Our producer consumer application, right? Our consumer application. So how we wrote yesterday, same like, right? So public void send method. Let's take what is that? Send, right? Send method, right? Send method. Here what we will do it now? What we will do it now, guys? We will send the data, right? We will send the data, right? So how we can send it? How we can send it now?
Yes, Ravi.
So first
Yes,
we,
template.
yes, how we can send it? Something missing. Service class we wrote or not? Yeah. Implement send. Okay, model class, util class we completed. Oh, we forget to write the service class. Okay, directly we started to writing what? Okay, actually a little bit distracted our mind, right? Because the Loki's introduction is started to give in. Okay, without service logic, how we can send it, guys? Okay, so still we are not writing. Okay, so forget about it. Still don't think about this class now, guys. Okay, don't think about what this send product is there now. Just this one in. Still don't think about that, right? Let's develop it another, right? So file new, take the class. File new, take the class and make this one as what? Service, right? Service, right? Service. Okay, service. Make this one as what? Producer service. Producer service. Now finish it. So take the annotation as what? Service annotation here, right? Because we need to write the logic, right? Without logic, how we can send the data to producer? Directly we can't run, right? We can't send the data, right? So somewhere we need to write the logics also, right? Send array, that destination send method, we need to write it na guys. Come on, when I write this method, right, then I forgot to write send. Yesterday it's having two argument, destination, and another one is what? Message, right? Come on, where we are writing what?
Yes, Ravi.
Lambda expression.
In a
Yesterday,
service
anybody
class.
remember that? Anybody remember that?
Yeah.
Where
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Yes, remember.
GMS template, guys? GMS, without GMS template we can't send the data na. So that one I forgot to write it.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes. So good guys. So but before that, what we need to do? Before that, what we need to do? We need to write some property also na, property mod in the
Property file.
yes.
Property.
So what we will do? Yesterday we already wrote now. Let's copy paste. Why we will waste the time, guys? Okay, this one only we will write again. So let's copy paste now.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
So I'm copying,
Yes, Ravi.
pasting.
Just copy.
I pasted here, right? I pasted here. Now good. So product one. Okay, let's not change the name. Okay. So but this one we need here now. So come in the service class. Come in the service class now, guys. Okay. So what we will do it now? We need to take the JMS template now. Private JMS template.
Yes. The
Template JT, right? JT, and we need to make this one as a what? Auto wire.
provide for injecting the bean.
We need to make this one as what? Auto wired, right? Auto wired. Okay, fine. So next what we need to do? Next what we need to do? We need to convert this object, right, in the JSON format in the service class. Means here only, right? Here only. So what we will do it now, guys? We need to take a util class, right? Util class, where that util class? Converter util class. One minute. Util class, guys. Okay, we need what? Util class. Where that util class? Jackson util class, because this class only will convert our what? List of data na, guys. Come on, give the response, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
So private, what we will do it now? Private Jackson
Jackson utility.
Jackson util,
Definition.
right? Util, right? Jackson util. We will take it. Don't worry. Okay. So we need to make this one as what? Auto wire.
Auto wire.
We need to make this one as what? Auto add, right? Auto add. After then what we will do it now? What we will do it now? We need to write one method. What method we will write? Public boolean send data, right? Send data, and this one will take as what? String type what? Argument, string message. String message, right? String message, and here we will take as what? Boolean sent equal to false. Let's take false, right? Sent equal to sent equal to false now. Okay, so return sent now. Good. Okay, so here let's write the logic now, guys. So what is the logic? What is the logic? Sent
Right.
method, right? Sent method we need to call na. Come on.
JT dot send.
Yes, good. JT dot what? Sent method, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Sent
Send.
method.
Two argument method.
Sorry, send method.
Two argument.
Send
two
method,
arguments,
right?
Destination and
message
message creator.
Yes. So
creator, right?
destination, first what we need to do now, we need to create the
Destination
To
destination
we
name.
have to create.
create
Yes,
that string of the destination.
yes,
Dynamically we will read the key.
private string destination name, right?
Destination name.
So here what we will take
Yes,
it
Ravi.
at the rate value,
At the rate value.
A value.
Value.
At values giving that property key.
at the rate value, and what is the
Dollar sign.
property name? This one, right? This is the
My
property.
JMS test.
Yes, yes, we will take this
JMS.
property
Yes.
here. We will take this property here, means what? Our destination name we given. Now next one is what next we will give? Lambda expression we will use, right? Session
Session.
session
Change to session.
Session dot.
Session token array session dot.
yes, session dot what? Text message, right? Create text message.
Yes.
Create text
Create
message.
text message.
Create
R is missing. CREAT.
hmm,
CREAT.
Create message.
create text message.
Text message.
Inside that what we will do it now, we will give this argument, right?
Message.
But the problem is what?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
But the problem, one problem is there, guys, okay? Because this one is taking what? String type argument, right? But what is that? Our converter, whenever we will convert, it's taking what? Where that, yeah, it's taking what? A product argument, right? Product argument. Without
Yes.
product argument, we can't. So yesterday we saw that overloaded method. Come on. Hmm?
Yeah.
Just yesterday only we completed.
Same
na?
method we did overload with the product. Yeah.
So just I'm copying the same method only. Here, let's paste it. Okay. Let's paste it and we will do the modification inside this one. Okay. So
Okay.
here, what is that? Let's take the different argument, right? So
Product.
product dot
PRD.
PRD, right? PRD. And next what we will do it now, inside this one we will call that what? We will call that what? Util method. Which method? This method, right?
To JSON.
Yeah,
Yes.
to JSON. Using what? Using Jackson util class, right?
Total.
Yeah.
Util dot
Yes, Ravi.
to JSON, right?
Yes.
And here we are passing that product class, and this method will return what? What is the return type? String, na guys? Come on, string type, na?
String.
Method return type is
String.
what? Is string, right?
Yes.
So here what we will take it now? String. Now take message, MSG message, right? Message. And here what we will do it now? Just normally we will.
We'll
No.
directly call send
Yeah.
data.
Yeah, we will call
Send
this
data of MSG.
yeah, we will call this method here now, and inside that what we will do it now, we will pass this MSG, right? So internally what will happen now? This method will call, right? Sorry, not this method, yeah, this method call will happen, right? This method call will happen with the which argument? String argument. Come on, because here we are getting the JSON data, na? Come on, and this JSON data will
Yes.
store, and this method will execution once complete, then this method will execution will start, right? Come on, guys.
Yes,
Ravi.
People are getting my point.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Now come here, right? Now come in the send product. So just we started to developing this one now. So which one? Product command line runner. So in this one, what? Whenever we will run, right? So this file will load, right? This file will load in which file? File reader util class, right? File reader util class, and this all object will store in the list, and this one will return inside this what? Producer sent, right? So here we are taking that list, right? We are taking that list from the file reader, right? We are reading the data, right? We are reading the list of data, and what we are doing now, we are storing in this class now. In this class, after then what we will do it now? Again we will write the logic, right? Again we will write the logic. What kind of logic? To sending the data, right? To sending the data. So how we can send it now? How we can send it now, guys? Yesterday we send na, because here in the service, what method is there?
Yes, Ravi.
We will call this method na. And what is the return type? Boolean. Come on.
Yes.
So
Yes, Ravi.
yes. So now let's what? So what is that?
File
But
util.
yeah, here we need what is that service
File
class?
util dot.
First we need
Product
to
service. Producer
private.
service.
Yes.
Mhm.
Product
Product service
Producer
service.
service.
product service, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Product
Is it
service,
producer service?
or sorry, producer
All
service.
right, producer service.
Producer service, right? Producer
Third one.
service.
Service.
ASERVIC service, right? Producer service. And we need to make this one as what? Auto-add.
Okay.
We need to make this one as what? Auto-add, right? So here what? Using the product service, we need to call that method, right?
Call the method. Yes, Ravi.
Service dot what? What is the method now, guys? Send data, right? Send
Send
data.
data.
So which one we will call? String type argument message we will call, right?
Extra.
So here what we need to do? Here what we need to do, guys?
Product sent.
Send data, right? Send data. So
We have
first what we need to do? We need to send a list of what is that list of object, right? We need to send a data object, one object, right? Come on. In this method, we need to send
we
one
have to
object.
iterate through the list of product objects.
Because with there we are iterating na. Come on, already we iterated. So how we can read the one object from the list? Come on, list of what? List of what? Already we took na list of what? Get method is there na. Come on. And
Ravi.
this
With
one is
index number.
based on the index only. We are reading the data na, guys. Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
So here what we will do it now?
Yes, Ravi.
We will take one counter variable, guys. Okay, private integer int count, right? Int count. Here class level na, yeah, class level. We will take one counter variable, right? So here what we will do it now? Count, because iterated value we will get, right? Come on.
Yes,
Count.
Ravi.
Yes, you can.
Make this one as what? Plus.
Plus.
Yeah, make this one as what? Plus means what? See, like this is the index, guys. Okay, once this data is sent, right, means what? Plus means what? I don't want this index, I want what? Next index. Next index. Then because of that I took what? One counter variable. It will what? Counting. It will send the next indexes. Because of that I took counter variable. Come on.
Yeah, but
Yes, Ravi.
condition we have to put.
But we need to put what? Condition also, right? We need to put what? Condition
Yes,
also.
Ravi.
We need to put what? Condition also. Like what is that? A sent. We sent it, right? We sent it. Okay, so what condition we need to put now? Let's take here only, right? If condition will be,
If count equal to 3, I mean
1 minute. Let's take this one as what?
that one we have to about. I'll make it to 0.
So what kind of count
If count
condition?
less than or equal to.
Yeah, less than. Let's take what? Less than size, right? Whatever size of what? This collection.
Less than 3.
See, yes. That is our what logic we need to write. This is the list, right? This is the list means what? Whatever size is there. Whatever size is there. Whatever size is there of the counter variable, right? So
Yes.
Counter variable.
If count less than.
Yes,
That's
count less than, right? Less than symbol. This one, na, guys. Yeah, list dot.
Yes.
List dot what? Size method, right?
Right.
Size method
Size
is,
method.
yeah, size method, right? Size method.
Yeah, third.
Now
Third
now
one.
now the logic is correct, right?
No, it's
Yes,
fine, Ravi.
now it's fine, right? Now if condition, we are taking if condition sent, right? Means what? If the value is true, then what we will do it now? Sys out
Sys out.
product is sent, else product is not sent, right? Now our producer application is ready now, guys. Okay, till now we completed development. Our what, this area development is completed. Till now development is completed, including this model class, right?
Yeah.
So our next
Right.
requirement now, our consumer side will not take much time, guys. Okay, because we will copy paste only same code only, na? So but what is that? Now we need to work on. So recall your JPA knowledge, guys. Okay, when I was explaining JPA data JPA is need, because of that we can able to what, interact our application with what, database, na? Come on.
Database.
Hmm?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
So before that, what we will do it now, open the
Yes.
mic. Just what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open MySQL, guys. Okay, I'm going to open MySQL database, right? So because in the MySQL we will store the data, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
So now here only I will create it, right? So product is there, yeah, already product is there now. So okay, now let's delete, drop the database. Okay, I'm dropping. Now again I'm creating the database here, right? Create the database, PRD. Let's take PRD, guys. Okay, create it. Okay, good. This is the database. Our database will be there. So this is the another workspace. Let's take another workspace. I'm going to take what, another another workspace in Eclipse ID, guys. Okay, so yeah, let's take our old workspace only. Microservices launch. Close all. Now file, new, file, new, other. Take a starter project. Spring Boot GMS consumer example, na? Example of what? GMS consumer file reader, right? DB database. Okay, this is our project. Next, in this time we need what? Two more dependency, guys. Which one? MySQL dependency and what? Data JPA dependency, right? So first what I'm taking? Lombok I'm taking. Spring, if Spring ActiveMQs.
ActiveMQ. Go ahead.
Another one is what? MySQL, right? MySQL dependency we need. MySQL driver. Another one is what? Data JPA. Data JPA. JPA. Spring Data JPA, right? Because this dude, based on this two dependency, we can perform one database operation, right?
Yes.
Next, finish. Okay, let's create. Still project is creating now. So guys, we completed the logic, but what we need to enable the scheduler also, right? Because the data, because multiple time this one will send the data, na? Come on. So at the rate
Yes.
scheduler,
Scheduled.
scheduled, right?
Scheduled cron
Scheduled,
expression.
scheduled using cron expression, right?
Scheduled.
Cron.
All
So
in cron space.
5 second or 10 second in it. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let's take every 5 second, right? Every 5 second. And another one is what we need to do in the main class, right? In the main class, we need to enable what? Scheduler, right?
Scheduling. Yes, sir.
Enable scheduling. Okay, so this workspace is ready. Okay, no, Misu, it's ready now. Okay, so what is the application we created, guys? This one, right? Active yourself, guys. Okay, active yourself. I will give the break now. Today our session will be long now. Everyone is ready for the long session, guys?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, Ravi.
Yes, prepare yourself. We will today we have long session. Okay, so fine. So the property file, okay, in the property file, let's take what is that, copy paste only, right? Copy paste, because old property we need now. So already we had that property, so let's copy paste this property only, guys. Okay, I copied
Yes,
and
Ravi.
I copied and pasted, but some extra today in this one, some extra property need, property need, guys. Okay, what is the extra property we need? What is the extra property we need, guys? Anyone?
JPA related property.
Internet property and
Data JPA
Ethernet
related,
property. JPA related
data
property.
JPA related property.
and
Yes. So spring
Yes,
dot,
Ravi.
what? Data source, data source dot driver,
Dot driver.
class name, right?
class
Class name. One property, another property we need what? Spring dot what? Data source
Dot
dot
driver. Dot username.
that user
dot
Username.
URL.
URL and
Hmm?
username.
Another one is what? Spring dot data source dot username, right? Another one is what?
Yes.
Another one is what? Password.
Password.
Another one is password, right? Another one is what? Password. Okay, guys. So these property for what? Database, right? Database. So I forgot the database property. So 1 minute. Chrome MySQL URL. Yeah. Okay, first we need to load the driver now. So this is the package, right? This is the package with what? Class name of what? MySQL driver.
Driver.
Copy this one and paste it here. Here what we need now, here what we need what is that URL of that driver, right? Sorry, that database.
Yes.
I'm pasting now just here. What we took now, PRD we took, right?
PRD.
Come on, database PRD only, right?
Database.
Database name we given what?
Yes.
PRD. And here what is that? Root username. And the password also root, right? Means what? Our database connection is database connection is ready now, but some property we need to write about what? We need to write about what? JPA also. JPA.
Well,
Spring dot what? Spring dot what? JPA dot what? So SQL, right? Make this one as what? True. Another one is what? Spring dot JPA dot what? Hibernate DDL auto, right? DDL auto. Make this one as create, right? We will take
yes.
and platform. Yeah, that one dialect. We need to dialect also, right? We need spring dot JPA dot data source, right? Data source platform, right? So we need what? We need MySQL dialect. Control Shift T. I'm taking, right? MySQL dialect, first one only, right? Now it's came. So copy this one. Let's take 8 dialect, guys. Okay, we will not work on this one. Control Shift T. MySQL 8 dialect is there. Let's check it. Yeah, 8 dialect is there na. Copy this one and paste it, but we need what? Fully qualified, full with package. So org hibernate dialect, right? Org hibernate dialect. Now our dialect also ready now, guys. Okay, so related to all database configuration also we completed using this property. Now next what we need to do, we need what? Here also model class now, because the data will come, list of data will come based on the product class only, right?
Yes, Ravi.
So right click new, take the class, and here take the model. Oh, 1 minute. Let's create only package. Let's create only package, and we will copy paste only, because
Exactly same.
because exactly same, right? Exactly same we need. Okay, so come here where that this is the product model now. Copy this one and
Yes, Ravi.
paste inside this model class, guys. Okay,
Paste. @entity annotation also.
yes, good, very good observation, right? So here what we will do it now, here we need to take @entity class label, because this one will interact with the database, right?
Yes, Ravi. And ID also.
Entity.
Name entity.
And here, okay,
Entity and ID.
@ID, these two in like what? These two is
And
mandatory, right? Mandatory annotation. Let's give mandatory annotation in the database. These things will become by default, right? So our model class is ready now. Again we need what is that? Util package also, right? Converter, our JSON to object converter class also we need, guys. Here, come on, we need na. Yesterday discussion. Recall your yesterday discussion now. So I'm taking util package, and in this package now what I'm going to do now, copy the Jackson util, right? Copy the Jackson util.
class.
Copy this one as what, and paste it here. Now our converter class also is ready now. Another one is what we need, another we need what? Data JPA interface repository na. Because interface Interface
GPA
only will,
repository.
yes. So
Same like
now interface I'm taking here, I'm taking repo, and here I'm taking what? Product
Product
repository, right?
repository.
Now finish it. Now finish it. And here what we will do it now?
Extend JPA
Sorry,
repository.
Extend, sir.
Extend JPA
Sir.
repository.
Extend
JPA
JPA repository.
Repository.
JPA repository. Now here,
Product and integer.
yes,
Product.
yes.
Product.
Here we will take as a what? Product
Product.
Integer.
dot,
Integer. ID.
and here we will
Product
take
only.
integer.
Integer.
Product integer. We will take as what? Product integer, right? Clear?
Yes, Ravi.
Now here in this application also development is completed. Now let's write what? Our consumer logic. That's it, right? So what I'm doing now, let's take one more. Right click, new class. Here I'm taking what? The consumer, right? Consumer service. Consumer service. Consumer service. Package name is not valid. Okay. Finish. So now good. How we will make this class as a what? Object class.
8 component. 8 component.
At the rate component, right? At the rate component. Okay. So, but what is our responsibility? To make, we need to store the data in the database, na? Come on, guys.
Has a relation.
So we need
Yes,
to
Ravi.
make the has a relation with what?
Has a
Product repository, na?
JPA repository. Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Product repository repo. Make this one as what? At the rate AutoWire. Make this one as what? AutoWire. Another one is what? Next, what we will do it now? Next, what we will do it now? Because at the time of getting, okay, no issue, right? So just what we will do it now? We will write what is that? Read method, right? Read method void. What is that? Read data from the consumer, producer, right? From the producer. So good. So here what we will take argument as what? String, na? At the rate, right, sorry. Argument as what? String. And here what we will take it now? At the rate GMS listener, na guys, come on.
Let's listen. JMS.
GMS listener, and it will ask what? This one will ask what? This one will ask what now, guys? The destination name, right? Destination name. What is the destination name? What is the destination name? This is right. My
JMS.
Yes, this is the destination name now, guys. Okay, sorry. Here we need to take destination. Now clear, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
So after the next, what we will do it now, guys? We need to take that data, because the data will come in the JSON format now. So we need to convert in the object format, right?
Yes. From JSON.
So if we want to convert, then what? Then we need to take what is that util class, na? Private. What is that?